start. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. The first one, what's your name?
My name is Nama.
Now, how do you spell your name?
N-A-N-A-N-H.
Very good. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from Hanoi City.
Hanoi City. And you, boy, what's your name?
My name is Thiên Bảo.
Okay, Thiên Bảo, how do you spell your name?
It's Thienbao.
Wow, okay. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay. I want to ask you one question. What is your favorite toys?
My favorite toys is rocket.
Rocket. And you?
My favorite toy is cartoon.
It's car toys. Okay. The first question, okay, we will talk about the hobbies. Now, Mike, what is your hobby?
My hobby is play chess and play badminton.
Okay. So, who do you play chess with?
I play chess with my friends.
With your friends. Okay. And now, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football and playing badminton.
Okay. Where do you usually play football?
I play football in
At
the
the school?
garden.
Oh, in the garden. Okay. So one more question. Nam, do you think playing video game is bad? Okay. Do you think playing video game is bad?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Why?
Because
Is this maybe you can have Irish, right? Okay. When you watch or when you play video game too much. Okay. Thank you. Bao, do you think learning to play piano is hard?
no, because it is fantastic.
Ah, it's fantastic. Okay. The next, okay, we will talk about shopping. Okay. Now, what do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Do you like what? Do you like buying?
I like buying snacks.
Snacks. Oh, you like food, right? Okay. So who do you go shopping with?
I shop with my mom.
With your mom. So now, do you like buying clothes?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Okay. The next tab. Do you like shopping?
Yes,
So where do you usually go shopping?
it's in Big C.
We see the supermarket. Okay. Do you like go shopping in the market? Is it open
Yes.
market? Okay. Yes. So tell me, what is the bad thing you bought this year? The favorite thing you have bought this year?
I have chocolate.
Oh, you like chocolate. Is a bad things. Okay. Good. The next topic is film. Bao, what is your favorite film?
My favorite film is Conan.
It's Conan. So where do you like watching film?
I like watching film on TV.
TV. So do you like comedies? Watching comedies?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you like watching film at the cinema?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Why do you like this? I think it is expensive.
I like to watch things in the cinema because the cinema is big.
It's big. It's a big screen, right? Okay. Now, what is your favorite film?
My favorite film is Harry Potter.
Oh, you like Harry Potter? So who do you usually watching film with?
I'm watching films with my family.
Family. Do you like watching film with your friends?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So the next question, the last question. Now, what is your favorite character? or stupid? Harry Potter is smart or stupid? I don't know Harry Potter. The Harry Potter is smart or stupid? It's smart. Okay, good. The next, Beth, what is your favorite character?
My favorite character is Conan.
It's Conan. Is it a boy or girl?
It's a boy.
It's a boy. Is it young or old?
It's young
It's young. Okay, why do you like him?
because he is smart.
He's smart. Okay, is he handsome?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you. The next, the part 3 about transportation. Okay, I have 5 pictures. Okay, about transportation. Tell me, Beth, what is your favorite transport?
My favorite transport is car
It's car. Why do you like car?
because it's run fast.
It's run fast. Okay, do you think you go to school by car is so cool? It's so cool?
No,
No. Do you think this is so expensive?
it's yes.
It's yes. Okay. Now, what is your favorite transport?
My favorite transport is bus.
It's bus. I do like bus. Why? Why do you like bus? It's
Long.
it's long. Is it cheap or expensive? Cheap, right? It's cheap more than car, right? You can go to school by bus with your friends, many friends, okay? And Bao, do you like riding by car? Riding to school?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Why?
Because
Because?
it's stay healthy.
Oh, you stay healthy, very good, okay. And Mama, do you like tree?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Why do you like tree?
Because it's run fast.
It's run fast, very good. Okay, it's run fast. Okay, it's so modern or old? It's modern or old?
It's modern.
It's modern, it's so modern, right? Okay, thank you, Mama. We have the end of speaking class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.